you're shopping for a plane, this 1961 Cessna Skylane 182D might be perfect for you. It has an engine total time of 42.99 hours, 580 hours since the last major overhaul in 2009. This plane comes fully equipped with a Horton STOL kit and a 65-gallon tank. Brand new Garmin Avionics upgrades include Bluetooth audio panel, transponder GPS, dual comm, and an autopilot. Other notable updates include a firewall rebuild, cylinder and magneto overhaul, and also upgraded the generator with an alternator. The interior updates include new custom leather seats, including all cushions and updating the hardware. New belts and interior carpet make it a completely updated interior.